As we announced earlier this morning, due to extreme weather conditions, tomorrow will be a remote school day. There will be no in-person instruction. All after-school programs, adult education, and school-based programming has been canceled. And I know that this may disappoint some students, so if you do see me, feel free to throw a snowball at me. In terms of the forecast, we are continuing to expect up to 11 inches of snow. We have sufficient resources to shelter every New Yorker in the city, and our teams are scouring the streets, providing outreach. Our administration has opened 10 warming centers in school buildings across the city, 2 in each borough, and they will be operational through at least tomorrow evening. Full food will be provided at each of these sites. That is in addition to the 126 shelters, over 50 hospitals, and 35 safe havens where people in need can come in and get warm.
So we're actually here from London. We're here on travel. I love and hate it at the moment. It's great because we don't have this kind of weather in London, but it's bad because we can't go around.
I love the snow.